Imagine for a moment that you want to buy a motorcycle. You've never ridden a bike before and you're going to a bike shop with a bag of cash and a heap of expectations. Your heart is racing, your pulse is pounding in your skull, and you're ready to experience all that the biker people tell you about, the open road and the thrill as you hit that power band and the bike leaps forward. So you find yourself a salesperson, right? And he starts walking you down a line of bikes, okay? And he mentions that this one is oil cooled, and he talks about the sprocket ratio on this one. He tells you that this one here delivers 127.8 brake horsepower and that this one has a belt drive. This one is a 4-cylinder horizontal inline with a 13:1:1 compression ratio, and that one there is a V-twin. The power delivery is the same as a 90-degree V4 with a 180-degree crank, much like the VFR 800 and similar to the VMAX. By now, you have no flipping idea what's going on. You're new to this world and you have no clue what this guy's talking about. He's making you feel stupid. Sounds strange? Not at all. This happens on websites all the time. They load you down with technical specifications and details and features, and they often forget to tell their readers what's in it for them. I spent a few days recently looking for video lighting rigs, and not one of them could tell me what it actually did. All they told me about was technical specs that I could not interpret because I never went to video lighting school. In a recent video, I spoke about using benefits over features, that benefits trump features any day of the week. So let's talk about that. What is the difference between benefits and features? Features are facts about the product. These add credibility and substance to your sales pitch. Benefits, on the other hand, are what give your customers the reasons to buy, because they explain how your product or services improves their lives. Now, good sales copy has a healthy ratio between features, facts, and benefits, reasons. When it comes to motorcycle oil, I use a 10W40 semi-synthetic oil. The product states that it is a latest generation part synthetic engine oil developed specifically for a 4-stroke motorcycle engine. It is uniquely formulated with active protection molecules which provide a continuous layer of protection, ensuring that up to 70% wear reduction when compared to a JSO MA2 motorcycle oil. But so what? What does it actually mean to me? These are the features, the technical specifications, but because I don't understand most of what they're saying, so what? And here's a clue for you when you're writing your sales copy. When you want to drill down from features to benefits, ask yourself the question, so what? This oven preheats quickly, so what? It's ready quickly to bake your bread, so what? Your food is on the table faster, so what? You hang around the kitchen less, your life is less stressful, you have more time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So read through your website and your existing sales copy, if you have any, and ask yourself, so what, for every feature that you come across. We monitor your service. So what? Our products are completely natural. So what? My turnaround time is only 8 hours. So what? Keep asking, so what? Because real benefits connect to your customers' desires. Maybe these include saving time, reducing costs, making more money. Perhaps they want to be healthier, happier, more relaxed, more productive. These are the benefits to your product or service. So practically, how do you do this? How do you describe features and benefits in your copy or on your website? You have to grab their attention quickly. You can do this, for example, by highlighting a key benefit or a problem to avoid in your headline or in your sub-headline. You can use bullet points, okay, to list a series of features and benefits because they're easy to scan through. Just mention the most important ones first, like a reverse pyramid. And avoid any technical language that your reader doesn't or won't understand. And remember that some people are scanners and some people are readers. So write for the scanners by using bullet points and write for the readers by expanding on the most important points in those bullet points. So I use this semi-synthetic 10W40 motor oil specifically developed for four-stroke motorcycle engines. It provides a continuous layer of protection, ensuring up to 70% of wear reduction when compared to some others. But so what? I burn less oil. So what? My engine is protected longer. So what? I don't have to always check my oil because I'm confident that I don't have to. So what? I have peace of mind on a long journey. And if you found this useful, drop me a comment below and stay tuned for more videos as I expand even more on copywriting and how you can drastically improve your own sales copy. Before you go, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you stay up to date with all my tips, tricks, tutorials and information, all the stuff you need to stay ahead of the game. Until then, cheers.